Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a surprise future spoiler, well, actually possible spoiler, that Suzanne found. So I'm about to show that to you. Well, it's actually a couple of spoilers for a possible future BoxyCharm box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell is on that way. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which we're showing June spoilers for the Ipsy Standard bag. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, Mandy. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, it's going all right so far, Lisa, honey. It is so good to see you. You're so quick with that bell, honey. I really appreciate you having your notifications set. And thank you so much for watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so first I'm going to show you this clip that Joe posted to his Instagram, and then I'll come back and tell you what Suzanne spotted.
Guys, I received a beautiful box from pharmacy. The first item is a moisturizer, and this is from their new line actually, Daily Greens. And the second item, also from the same line, is a cleansing balm. It actually came with a real flower over here, you see. I'm gonna give this to Patty, it's beautiful. I'm gonna open it up when I get home and put it somewhere. Thank you, pharmacy.
So if you've seen in that video, he's showing off some products from Pharmacy Beauty, which of course is possible future spoilers. Now, he was showing, I guess it's their new line called Daily Greens, and he showed a gel moisturizer, which we have not seen yet, but he also showed the cleansing balm, that melt away balm, and I know that was in a past box, so that might be a repeat item or just something that come with that new gel moisturizer. But the big ticket item that Suzanne found in that video was the Too Faced contour palette. Now, that is the Cocoa Contouring and Highlighting Palette. It is valued at $44. She seems to think that this might be in the June premium box, which she might be right on that, because we haven't seen a lot of spoilers from that box. I think we've only got one spoiler, which is that Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask. So she might be right on that, y'all. That might be a June premium sneak peek right there. So tell me what you think about it down in the comments. And as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, I'm going to update you guys. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Maggie Jones. Maggie says, hope you have a beautiful day full of love and light. Maggie, that is just so sweet. Maggie, I really appreciate everything you do, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video, Maggie. Honey, I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.